Here's REOLINK app. It's an easy-to-use security camera system surveillance app. It enables you to locally or remotely access your IP cameras and NVRs on mobile devices. You can monitor and watch live streaming of your home and business anywhere and anytime. It helps you easily get peace of mind. Only 3 steps to access cameras and NVRs, easy and friendly interface. Remotely monitor and watch live streaming via 3G, 4G, multi-channel viewing. Remotely playback video recording from your camera SD card. Capture video from the live view channels on your mobile device to playback. And also there is a Mac app, so REOLINK Mac app. You can install it, a Windows app. So yeah, and this is the app. If you have these REOLINK devices, then you can just have it in here. And then you have all these utilities. I don't know why it's so let's just it just takes some time to download. Seems like 371 megabytes app, so it's not a small app for your knowledge. But here you can just see all of these devices. You can then just open it up. You can just start, agree, and then you can connect your camera. You can set up critical alerts. There is a cloud, there is SIM service, there is Internet of Things, support center, all of these settings. So quite advanced, as you can see here. And you can easily start just by adding this camera just by scanning QR code on the device. So that's the idea.